Hey, it's Paul Solt, and this is a quick video on how to remove a stock battery from your GoPro camera. What you need is like a mushroom container or any kind of plastic container that had produce in it, and you're gonna cut that up and create some little fins that you can stick into the battery compartment. Now, this one I have, so there's a little bit of that edge on the top, just to make it so I could grab it with the pliers or vice grip, and that's all you need to get started. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I've inserted it a little bit and I'm just gonna work it down carefully, try not to bend it, just to shove it in on either side. So I've got the one in, now I've got the second one in. And so now the friction that we're creating across that surface and the sort of pressure is gonna help us pull this out. And so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to grab it with the vice grip. You could probably grab it with your hands, but this is just easier, and then just pull and it's out. So that's how you can get the battery out if it's swollen. Thanks for watching. Hit the like if this was helpful.